Hello, I'm looking for my favorite people. Oh, there you are, grade 7. We have a few things to work on today, and a number of you had a problem on page 232 with number 10. Didn't understand what you were supposed to do. They show a block of cheese, and the person was asked to slice it into three equal segments using 2 slices. It's a 9-inch piece of cheese by 2 inches by 2 inches. And you were just asked to find out what the dimension of each size will be when the slicing is through. And you will find out that the dimensions will be 3 inches by 2 inches by 2 inches. And that's all you had to do. But we're going to do some demonstration here with actual food items. Here we have a block of butter, and the block of butter is smaller than the block of cheese. The dimensions of the butter are, this way is 4 3/4, and that's 4.75. And this way is 1 1/4, that's 1.25. Okay, so we have, what we did was we divided 4.75, which is the length of the butter, by 3, because we want to have 3 equal parts. And we learned that if we divide by 3, each part is 1.6 inches. Okay, the whole thing is 4 3/4. Each piece, once we slice, is 1.6 inches. I demonstrated up here. If you look at the board, here's our block of butter. It's 4.75 inches by 1.25 inches, and each segment is 1.6 inches by 1.25 each way. Now, we're going to add something to it, so you'll learn something new about combining geometric problems. We have here, what we're going to do is we're going to find the area of the top of the butter, this area. We know that the rule for area is length times width. The length is 4.25. The width is 1.25. Length is 4.75, times 1.25 equals 5.99 square inches, or inches squared. You can never forget the square. We have that there. Now, if that is 5.99 inches squared, is that the exact same as the area before it was cut? Let's find out. Let's take each segment, or that's the before, here's the after. Each segment is 1.25 times 1.6. Okay, 1.25 times 1.6 equals 2. Came out even. This will be the same. 1.25 times 1.6, 2. 1.25 times 1.6, 2. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6 inches squared. We are only 1/10 of an inch off. And you're always going to find some variation when you're dividing by odd numbers, unless you carry it out to many, many decimal places. So we've learned that the area of the original shape will be the same as the segments. So the area of the butter, as it was originally on the top, will be the same as if we add, and you can see that they're all equal, that we add them up, and we sort of have the same configuration again. That's not true of perimeter, because perimeter will include the value of the lines inside there. Okay, so but it is true of area, and it's going to be true of volume, which you will be learning next week, and I think you'll enjoy it. Till then, bye.